Shatpatha Brahmana, decoding the intricacies of ritual, myth, and philosophy in the Shukla Yajurveda. Abstract. The Shatpatha Brahmana, a remarkable division of the Shukla Yajurveda, unveils a tapestry of rituals, myths, and profound philosophical insights. This article delves into the depths of the Shatpatha Brahmana, exploring its composition, symbolism, ritualistic significance, and its role in bridging the gap between the ancient Vedic practices and philosophical inquiries. Introduction. As a key component of the Shukla Yajurveda, the Shatpatha Brahmana stands as a testament to the multifaceted nature of Vedic literature. It is a blend of rituals, myths, and philosophical contemplations that offers a comprehensive view of the Vedic worldview. This article delves into the intricate layers of the Shatpatha Brahmana, exploring its structure, themes, and enduring relevance. Composition and structure. The Shatpatha Brahmana is divided into 14 books, referred to as Kandas. Each Kanda is a collection of prose passages that expound upon the rituals and sacrifices of the Vedic tradition. These texts are often interspersed with myths, cosmological explanations, and philosophical reflections, creating a multidimensional narrative. Ritualistic insights. At its core, the Shatpatha Brahmana provides detailed insights into Vedic rituals, ceremonies, and sacrifices. It outlines the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions involved in these rituals, emphasizing the importance of maintaining cosmic harmony and invoking deities for blessings. The Brahmana serves as a guidebook for the meticulous performance of these rituals. Mythical narratives. Interwoven with rituals are mythical narratives that provide explanations for the origin of the universe, the nature of deities, and the cosmic order. These myths offer insights into the Vedic understanding of creation and the relationship between the human and divine realms. Through these narratives, the Brahmana conveys profound truths within symbolic storytelling. Philosophical contemplations. Beyond the ritualistic and mythical aspects, the Shatpatha Brahmana engages in philosophical contemplations. It raises questions about the nature of reality, the relationship between the individual and the cosmos, and the role of human actions in the larger scheme of existence. These inquiries reflect the Vedic pursuit of deeper understanding and wisdom. Legacy and contemporary relevance. The Shatpatha Brahmana's legacy is evident in its influence on Vedic thought, Hindu philosophy, and culture. Its rituals, myths, and philosophical reflections have contributed to the foundation of ancient Indian philosophy. In the modern context, it continues to inspire scholars, philosophers, and seekers to explore the intricate connections between ritualistic practices and spiritual wisdom. Conclusion. The Shatpatha Brahmana stands as a rich tapestry that weaves together rituals, myths, and philosophical insights within the Shukla Yajurveda. By exploring its prose passages, rituals, and narratives, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate interplay between the material and the metaphysical realms. It invites us to journey through the layers of Vedic wisdom, recognizing the harmonious dance between the rituals, myths, and the eternal quest for understanding the essence of life itself.